In the beginning, according to ancient Greek mythology, humanity lived in darkness, shivering in the cold, consuming raw meat, and dwelling in caves like primitive beasts. Then came Prometheus, the Titan whose name means forethought, and with a single act of divine rebellion, he fundamentally altered the trajectory of human civilization forever. The myth of Prometheus, stealing fire from the gods, represents far more than a simple tale of theft and punishment. It serves as humanity's oldest and most profound explanation for how we transcended our animal nature to become the architects of civilization itself. The story begins on Mount Olympus, where Zeus, king of the gods, had deliberately withheld fire from humanity as both punishment and prevention. Fire represented divine power, reserved exclusively for the immortal realm. Humans were meant to remain in their primitive state, dependent and subservient. Yet Prometheus, moved by compassion for these struggling beings, made a choice that would echo through eternity. He ascended to the heavens, stole a flame from the sacred fire, concealed it within a hollow fennel stalk, and delivered this transformative gift to mankind below. The moment fire touched human hands, everything changed. This was not merely about warmth or light, though these were revolutionary enough. Fire represented the first technology, the foundation upon which all subsequent human achievement would rest. With fire, humans could cook food, making nutrition more efficient and freeing time from the constant search for sustenance. They could extend their productive hours beyond sunset, multiplying their capacity for innovation and social development. Fire provided protection from predators, enabling humans to venture into new territories and establish permanent settlements. But the implications extended far deeper into the realm of human consciousness itself. Fire marked the beginning of human mastery over nature rather than mere submission to it. For the first time, humans possessed something that separated them fundamentally from all other creatures on Earth. They could transform their environment, create tools by heating and shaping metals, and develop arts and crafts that required controlled flame. The gift of fire was, in essence, the gift of creativity, ingenuity, and the power to reshape the world according to human vision and will. The myth reveals profound insights into how ancient peoples understood the relationship between divine knowledge and human progress. Prometheus did not simply give humans fire, he gave them the capacity for technological advancement that would lead to agriculture, metallurgy, architecture, and eventually the complex civilizations that would dominate the Mediterranean world. The stolen flame became the spark of human curiosity, the drive to explore, discover, and innovate that distinguishes our species. Zeus's response to this theft illuminates another crucial aspect of human civilization. Progress comes with consequences. The king of gods chained Prometheus to a rock, where an eagle would eternally devour his liver, which would regenerate each night only to be consumed again the following day. This punishment symbolizes the eternal price of knowledge and progress. Every advancement in human civilization brings with it new challenges, responsibilities, and unforeseen consequences that humanity must perpetually confront. Furthermore, Zeus created Pandora, the first woman, as punishment for humanity itself. Armed with her famous box containing all the evils that would plague mankind, Pandora's story intertwines with Prometheus's to suggest that enlightenment and suffering are inextricably linked in the human experience. The same intelligence that builds cities also creates weapons. The same fire that cooks food can burn forests. The same knowledge that cures diseases can create new forms of destruction. Modern scholars recognize striking parallels between the Prometheus myth and our contemporary understanding of human evolution and cultural development. Archaeological evidence confirms that the controlled use of fire was indeed pivotal in human development, occurring roughly 400,000 to 1 million years ago. This mastery of fire coincides with significant increases in brain size, the development of complex language, and the emergence of sophisticated social structures that characterize modern human civilization. The myth also resonates powerfully with our current technological age. Like Prometheus, modern scientists and innovators continue to steal fire from the gods, unlocking secrets of nuclear energy, genetic manipulation, artificial intelligence, and space exploration. Each breakthrough brings tremendous potential benefits, alongside equally significant risks and ethical dilemmas. The story reminds us that knowledge is power, but power demands wisdom and responsibility. The enduring relevance of Prometheus extends beyond historical curiosity into fundamental questions about human nature itself. Are we meant to push boundaries, to seek knowledge regardless of consequences, to perpetually strive for greater understanding and capability? Or should there be limits to human ambition and curiosity? The myth of Prometheus and fire ultimately provides a framework for understanding the entire human project. It explains not just how we gained technology, but why we are compelled to innovate, explore, and transform our world. In stealing fire from the gods, Prometheus gave humanity both its greatest gift and its eternal burden, the responsibility to use knowledge wisely while never ceasing to seek more. This ancient story remains our most eloquent explanation for what makes us human.